So, what brings you here to this company?
Well, I was thinking about getting a job here.
Alright. Anyways, can you explain the outfit you got on right now?
I always thought you should dress for your job when you in. So I got my hat, got no shirt, and got my pants.
Interesting. So, you came in here with no resume. I gotta ask, what kind of education do you have?
Well, I got past sixth grade. And one time I went out duck hunting with my father. We never
He's
really
hired,
got
he's hired,
along,
he's
but
hired, he's
God
hired,
raised
he's
us in
hired.
1910.
Nice. And I just have one final question for you. How would you describe your work ethic as a construction worker?
I mean, I'll stand around like if one person's working. But honestly, just being honest, if no one's working, I might start doing something.
Hired, hired, hired! I mean, uh, that doesn't really fit the minimum standards. We need at least two working at all times.
With all due respect, you and me both know industry standards aren't that high. It seems I'll go to your competitor.
I'm sorry, you're hired. You start Monday.